AI is changing the game, and if you're not using it to make money, you're missing out. Imagine earning passive income while AI does the work for you. In this video, we'll cover 7 AI-powered side hustles that you can start today with little to no experience. Let's dive in. Did you know you can create a YouTube channel without showing your face or even recording your own voice? AI tools like Pictory, Vizsla, and Synthesia can generate full-length videos with AI voiceovers, stock footage, and subtitles. Here's how. 1. Use ChatGPT to generate video scripts. 2. Upload them to Vizsla or Pictory for automatic video creation. 3. Add an AI-generated voiceover, and you're done. YouTube ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships can turn this into a real passive income machine. Ever wanted to sell art but can't draw? AI's got you covered. With tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Leonardo AI, you can create stunning artwork in seconds. Here's how to monetize it. 1. Sell AI-generated prints on Etsy, Redbubble, or Society6. 2. Offer custom AI artwork commissions on Fiverr. 3. Create and sell AI-generated NFT collections. People love unique art, and AI makes it easy to create and sell. Writing blogs used to take hours, but with AI, you can generate SEO-optimized articles in minutes. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Surf SEO can help you create blogs that rank on Google. Here's how you make money. Start a blog and monetize with ads. Use affiliate links for commissions. Sell AI-generated ebooks or digital guides. AI helps you write consistently, so you can focus on making money instead of writing endlessly. People pay big money for online courses, and you can create them using AI. Platforms like Course AI and ChatGPT can generate full course outlines, video scripts, and lesson plans. Steps to get started. 1. Pick a profitable topic. AI can even suggest one. 2. Use AI to create slides, quizzes, and materials. 3. Sell your course on Udemy, Teachable, or Kajabi. With AI, creating an online course is easier than ever, and it can generate passive income for years. AI can even help you write and sell books. With ChatGPT and Claude AI, you can generate full-length ebooks in any niche. Steps. 1. Use AI to outline and write your book. 2. Format it for Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. 3. Sell on Amazon, Gumroad, or your own website. You can make passive income from book sales while AI does most of the writing. Want to sell voiceovers or audiobooks without recording your voice? AI tools like 11 Labs and Descript can generate high-quality, natural-sounding voiceovers. Ways to make money. Sell AI voiceovers on Fiverr or Upwork. Create audiobooks for Kindle and Audible. Offer AI-powered podcast editing services. Audio content is booming, and AI voiceovers are in high demand. AI is changing how we make money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time passive income stream, these AI tools can help you achieve financial freedom. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Your Brainy Bites for more AI-powered money-making strategies. Comment below, which AI side hustle are you most excited to try? Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.